Hey, what's going on, guys? Saad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the math.square root 2. So the square root, this is present the value of square root 2, this property I mean, and which has a value of approximately 1.414. So what we just need to do is I'm gonna comment out this first. What the heck? I didn't bind any keys. Forgot that. Yeah. Now what we just need to do is log it on a console. The you know something like the thing we are talking about, square root of 2. What we call SQRT2. So as you can see the value of that, and if we this is useless because we can't use anything with that, so what we need to do is create a function and use that inside. So what I'm gonna do is create a function and name it as multiply ws, multiply with square root. So square root of 2 into the num, and now we're gonna call that function multiply us. What the heck just happened? Yeah, and pass the parameter as a num to 2. The square root of 2 into 2, it will be 2.8 to something. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.